Hi everybody, welcome back to the HyperX Info channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily plug your mouse through the 2.5 GHz connection mode to your PC or laptop. Here, as you can see, we do have the USB dongle, which can be found over here, here near this cap. As you can see, I'm aiming below this cap near the battery. We can remove this cap easily with the magnets. Here, as you can see, we just put our nail and it came up easier than I thought. Here, as you can see, we have the USB dongle, and we have to plug this dongle into our PC or laptop or any other USB hub. Let's plug that into my PC, and let me quickly switch my view to the Windows. Let me at first view, show some icons. Here now our mouse is plugged in. As you can see, we have to turn it on now using this button, and we are good to go. That's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye. Have a nice day.